In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Rotate View tool. This handy feature allows you to change your perspective on your artboard without altering the actual content of your work, making it easier to work on specific angles or details. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the Rotate View tool in the toolbar. To do this, hover over the Hand tool. Click and hold on the Hand tool, and a menu will appear. From this menu, you can select the Rotate View tool. This tool is instrumental when you need to rotate the canvas without moving the artwork itself, allowing for a fresh perspective on your project. If you're someone who prefers using shortcuts to enhance your workflow efficiency, here's a quick tip. Simply press Shift and H on your keyboard. This will activate the Rotate View tool in a snap. Once you have the Rotate View tool selected, click and drag directly on the canvas. You'll notice your view begins to rotate, allowing you to stop at the perfect angle you desire. This function is particularly beneficial for artists and designers who find it easier to draw or manipulate objects at various angles, much like turning a sheet of paper while drawing. Now, if you'd rather use the menu for a more precise angle adjustment, that's easy too. Navigate to the View menu on the top bar of your interface. From there, choose Rotate View. You'll be presented with options to select a specific angle, or you can directly type in the degree of rotation you're looking for. This method gives you more control over the exact orientation of your view and can be particularly useful for tasks that require precise alignment. Sometimes, after rotating your view, you might want to reset it back to its original position. No worries, there's a simple way to do that. Again, go to the View menu and click on Reset Rotate View. This will bring your view back to its default orientation, making it easy to resume your work from the standard position. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's another way to reset your view. For Windows users, press Shift plus Ctrl plus 1. If you're on a Mac, press Shift plus CMD plus 1. These shortcuts quickly return your view to normal without needing to navigate through the menu, ensuring your workflow remains efficient and uninterrupted. By using these simple methods, the Rotate View tool can significantly enhance your productivity and comfort when working on intricate designs. Whether you prefer to use the toolbar and menu options, or rely on keyboard shortcuts, incorporating the Rotate View tool into your routine will help you tackle complex projects with ease. Remember, mastering these tools means you're one step closer to achieving seamless and effective design practices. Thanks for joining, and happy designing!